चनिया चोलीज, kids collection में options, lots and lots of jewelry options, बांधनी चनिया चोलीज, men's kurta options as well. આ બધું તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળશે. This exhibition is by Anvay Fett. It's called Rang Rag and it has been curated by Vinita Patel. We are at Albera Lux Gallery. 2 days of exhibition today and tomorrow 16th and 17th of September. Swipe left to see the collection. Brand is called Threads by Vinita Patel and they have some beautiful chaniya cholis like these. Okay.
Something in rust.
Okay, rust shade में options છે.
Something in red, as you can see.
Red में options છે.
Yes, we have a lot of color options as well.
Color options ઘણા જ બધા છે. They have something in purple as well.
Yes, you can buy them separately as well.
Separately પણ લઈ શકો છો, mix and match કરી શકો છો.
We have dupattas in bandhani.
Dupattas in bandhani.
Something in ajrak.
અજરકમાં દુપટ્ટાસ છે.
Then we have blouses as well, so you can mix and match.
Blouses भी છે. You can mix and match.
Something in white.
White.
Designer work. Something in handwork.
Handwork.
Then we have something like this.
Okay.
Something in Banarasi.
Okay. This brand is called Kapatika.
Yes.
They have silk-based collection in chaniya cholis. Okay. એમની પાસે હેન્ડવર્કમાં ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. Yes. Okay. All right. So options like these, lots of different colors as well to choose from. Embroidered pieces માં બી options available છે એમની પાસે and these are all hand embroidered pieces like these over here. Okay. This brand is called Dira and they have some beautiful cotton based chaniya cholis. બંધેજ માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય with a blouse piece options મળી જશે. They have something in a 4-tiered chaniya as well.
Flare 25 meters.
25 meters નું flare છે આમાં. They have something in shaded as well. So options like these. They have lots of blouses as well to choose from. Long blouses જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options available છે.
તમને દુપટ્ટો wear
Dupatta options available છે. They have something in spaghetti like these and some tube blouses style માં બી and they have some mirror work વાળા ચણિયાs as well. So this brand is called Anjuls. Hello.
Our brand name is Anjuls. We have launched our wedding collection.
Wedding collection છે. Okay.
This kind of necklace for reception.
Okay.
As
Lots of options when it comes to Judas as well. Neck pieces માં options છે like these. આખા jewelry sets મળશે તમને. Yeah, these are all for wedding wear, some festive wear. Okay.
and Navratri collection and pure 9 to 5 silver collection.
Pure 9 to 5 silver collection and Navratri collection as well. So this brand is called Vastra and they have some blouses like these. Okay. ઘણા બધા color options છે. Lots of different designs to choose from. Okay. Something in green. Dupattas માં બી options available છે like these. And let's move on to chaniyas. So chaniyas માં બી lots of colors to choose from. Okay. અને તમને mix and match કરવું હોય તો એ પણ possible છે. So this brand is called Euphoric and they have some beautiful jewelry pieces over here similar to the one that she is wearing and they are offering up to 50% discount on their entire collection, up to 50%. So beaded jewelry જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં options છે. કઈ glass work જોડે જોઈતું હોય એમાં છે. They have Afghanis as well. You can see lots of different pieces to choose from like these over here. Yes,
Some
silver
fusion
lookalike.
also, some chokers also. Only earrings options are there.
Earrings, kadas, badama options મળશે. This brand is called Couture by Mythica and they have some beautiful blouse options like these. Okay. Alag blouses share to choose from. Alright, something with sleeves and let's take a look at their chaniya choli options. So options like these. Okay. Something in light blue as well. અને આ બધું મિક્સ એન્ડ મેચ થઈ શકે છે. Okay.
લહેંગા પણ આપીશું આજે. બધું અલગ અલગ પણ આપીશું.
Okay. So this this brand is called Ishita Patel Couture and they have some beautiful chaniya choli options like these. Okay. Something colorful. White ma options joita hoy with colors. So ema options share like these. Okay. They have options in monochrome look as well. Okay. Alright. And pink and green ma pan options available share. They also have some kurtis that you can wear in case tamne chaniya choli na pehru hoy, and they have some blouse options like these over here.
Hi guys, this is Preeti here. My brand is called the Auric Jewels. We are a Bombay-based brand. We're very happy to be here.
Okay, so they have semi-precious jewelry options like these. 22 carat gold plating wala options है मेरे पास. They have some really dainty pieces.
બધું છે ને તમે Indian, Western, Fusion બધા સાથે પહેરી શકો. Like that's our go-to.
All right, earring options like
We have
these.
diamond balis, we have zirconia studs, we have Indian studs, we have chand balis, we have our Navratri collection.
Navratri collection and these bangles are also here. So this brand is called Label Astha Shah and they have menswear. Yes. So this entire rack is on discount. If you buy 3, then you'll get it for 7k. If you buy 5, you'll get it for 10k. And it is actually a steal because quite a lot of pieces are akha handwork na. And they have some beautiful options like these over here. They also have some discounts for these pieces, but you'll have to come here and check the price out that they have. These are all that can be worn to weddings, and they also have some kids collection like these over here. 1 to 6, 7 years na boys matter collection share. So this brand is called Breathe by Dhruvi Gajjar. They have some beautiful chaniya choli options like these over here. So ajrak ma joitu hoy kai with khat work to ema options share. Okay. They have some options like these. Okay. Bandhej ma with khat work joitu hoy to ema pan options available share. All right, something in white, and these can all be mixed and matched as well. You can see they have options like these and something in black. So this brand is called More by Manjari and they have some beautiful chaniya cholis like these. Let's take a look at them. Okay. Both with the color options tamne jowa malse, lots of design options as well to choose from. Something in ajrak style. Okay. So chaniya cholis to hai, but they also have some great heavy dupattas, something with handwork, patora ma kai jotu hoy to ema options hai like these. Bandhej ma jotu hoy to bandhej ma bhi handwork jode na options available hai. And they also have something with Banarasi and Bandhej. So this brand is called Eddie and Birdie and they have some really cute kids collections of boys ma kurtas malse, tamne આવી રીતે ચણિયા ચોલીસ માં બી options malse. They have lots of color options as well. તમને કઈ pair કરવું હોય તો એ પણ option possible છે. You can see. અને શું ages છે?
2 to 8.
2 to 8.
Customization થાય છે.
Okay, 2 to 8 but customizations થાય છે. So this brand is called Chapters by PS.
Hi.
Hello. So they
So
have,
this is something in one shoulder
okay,
and this has 18-meter flare.
18-meter flare.
So this is something heart shape, a pokey
Okay.
one,
Okay.
something like this.
Hmm.
Then in Malchanderi,
Malchanderi.
shades of blue.
And they have dupatta
Dupattas
options as
as well,
well.
yes.
Like these. Okay. And these can all be mixed and
And
matched.
yes.
Okay.
And something.
This brand is called Navtar by Meghna. They've come all the way from Anand. Hello.
Hi. So the one that I'm wearing, it's a mirror work collection. This
Okay.
is also another option in that with a silk bandhani blouse. And then you have a rich brown chania and gathering.
Okay.
Then we have something which can also fulfill your festive needs. And then you see something which is slightly different than you see at other places with a different temple architecture at the bottom.
Okay.
Like a tassel.
Temple border
It's
and
a
tassel dupatta.